People are making 500 a week, 500 a day, even 16,000 a month scalping crypto. The game is all about rushing in, grabbing small profits, and getting out within minutes, but then going back and doing it again. Several times a day. Big money can be made, but get it wrong and losses can hurt. However, before we face the scalping final boss, before we can make $10,000 a month, we need to first master the tutorial. Scalp trading is all about noticing a trend and taking a little bit off the top before things get too risky. If you notice a bullish pattern forming, you may want to wait for a confirmation bounce, enter the trade, and exit for a small profit. Pro scalpers will make hundreds of trades like this daily, attempting to keep a higher ratio of profitable trades to losses. This is such a high risk endeavor that it's not easy to keep that ratio positive. To avoid getting wiped out by scalping, you must understand the tools you can use and avoid being too greedy, otherwise it's game over. Now it's time for the game to actually begin. Once you master all of these levels, you have a good shot at earning real income scalping. Level 1 is learning how to use and utilize bots. Scalping bots automate your trades and allow you to efficiently do hundreds of trades with preset parameters. But in order to win the game, you gotta set them up right. We need to choose a character. No, nope, yes, perfect. So Zuck, you ready to start bot scalping for me?
I hope so.
All right, well, you're my only shot either way. So bots are great because it means you don't have to sit in front of the computer and make 100 small trade decisions a day. You can just have a program do it for you. But bots are only as good as the information you feed into them. Zuck is setting up his KuCoin Grid Bot Simulator right now. The easiest method is to simply have the AI set parameters for you.
Yeah, so we just need to enter in the dollar amount and click Create. Give good automatic trading rules. And if the market moves, this will work like a charm, paying us to do nothing. But if the market is too flat or decreases, you will lose money. It's like that time I tried making stablecoin.
Yep, I heard about that. Anyways, these bots can be as simple or complex as you want. Some bots accept over 100 rules, meaning you need to have full understanding of things like stop limits and take profit orders. But they don't have to be that complicated. They can be really passive. I think we need to give them more to do. Let's test out the manual settings. Zuck, you got that?
Yeah, easy. Going back to grid training, we need to hit Customize this time. Then we need to choose price ranges. If we choose 20,000 to 25,000, that means the bot will only trade in those parameters. Then, number of placed orders means the total number of trades that can happen within your price range.
Yeah, so to put this simply, the grid trading bot is literally putting a grid over the trading chart with the current price in the middle. When the price decreases, the bot buys. When the price increases, the bot sells, taking a little bit of profit right off the top. That's scalping. The smaller the price range, the more you're gonna have to keep a close eye on these bots. So it really can be as passive or active as you want. Also, if you'd like to try out KuCoin, they'll be linked in the description. And they're actually doing a new user bonus where if you trade just $100, you get 15 bucks deposited into your account for free.
Hey, 15 bucks. I'll take that. Wait!
Okay, level 2. Alongside bots, you can use signal services that alert you of trading opportunities. These services perform technical analysis or comparisons with historical data, so you don't have to. The signals will suggest whether you should buy or sell. So we need someone with good communication skills who's always got their phone with them. Marta, do you think you could handle the signals method?
¿De qué me estás hablando?
Language problems. ¿Hablas algo de inglés?
More or less.
Good, because my Spanish is not that great. Okay, your mission is to use signals. It's not tough. You get told when the time is right to buy, sell, or enter a trade. It's up to you to decide if the trade makes sense and if you should take action. You need to have your phone by you at all times because you can't miss those messages.
Can I still use Instagram?
Sure, but TikTok, that's off limits while trading.
Hijo de pu...
A signal could arrive at any time. We're talking about tiny windows of opportunity. Remember that any type of crypto trading is risky. Scalping is addictive and you need to focus or you could end up with big problems. It can spiral out of control. The best signal services do the analysis for you. They look for trends so you don't have to. You can even do this with a bot like Zuck did. Or you could look at each one you receive and trade manually. The manual approach is slower, so you could miss some trades, but it's probably safer at this level. Do you get any signals yet?
3 mensajes.
Come on, grab the trade, vámonos. Okay, that signal's all sorted out. I think we need someone more disciplined for this level. Do you accept this mission, Annie?
Yes, sir.
Did you just click your heels together?
Affirmative.
You don't have to do that. What's your most difficult mission so far?
3 weeks naked in a thorny bush, no comms, drinking my own urine filtered through my sergeant's underwear, sir.
Wait, why did you filter the... Never mind. This is going to be easier than that. Range trading. It's where you identify the top and bottom prices that you want to trade within. These are support and resistance levels. Reach the support level and buy. This is because you expect it to bounce back. At the resistance level, you expect it to fall, so you sell. Bitcoin should theoretically bounce between these levels all throughout the day. It's a psychological barrier. People buy or sell because they see everyone else doing the same.
I'm very familiar with psychological warfare, sir.
That's not exactly...
Funds locked, loaded, and ready to deploy.
All right, identify support and resistance levels by looking for peaks and troughs. Trend lines can also help you identify where the level is moving up or down.
I call them trenches and vantage points, sir.
Okay, yep, so keep identifying the trends and make as many trades per day as you can. I think she's got it. Not gonna lie, she terrifies me.
Level complete.
Annie? Okay, level 4. I need someone aggressive. Okay, maybe a little less aggressive than Annie, but still has nerves of steel for the next scalping mission. Momentum trading uses different indicators to spot trends. You need to be quick and ruthless. Arnie, you ready to kick butt?
Yeah! Line up those flabby butts and I'll put them so hard they'll be orbiting Uranus!
Okay, for this mission you need the exponential moving average, the MACD.
Are those secret thermonuclear weapons, kid?
No, they're just trend and momentum indicators.
Alright! Pipsqueak. Whatever you say, as long as I get paid.
Yeah, we're looking at trend or momentum trading for crypto scalping. It's about using different charts to spot where the market might be moving. The idea is to overlay different charts to understand market momentum. Where is it headed? Use the MACD to see two separate moving averages of a crypto. The crossover between the trigger and the average tells you when to buy or potentially sell. If the price goes above the moving average, it's an uptrend, but when it moves below the average, the trend is downwards. Arnie, your mission is to seek and recognize patterns. You also might want to check out the STC indicator. This is known to work well in fast-moving markets. There are endless charts to take a look at too. So look for some you fully understand and can interpret quickly. 10 transactions a day, 20, or as many as you possibly can. You won't win them all, so you need to be mentally prepared for setbacks, and don't forget that fees can eat into your profits. This is why many scalpers use leverage. You might gain $100 on a Bitcoin price swing, but with fees at 0.1% of the buying and selling price, your final profit is tiny. But if you use 3x leverage, or 10x leverage, are you working on this, Arnie?
With extreme prejudice, kid.
So yeah, you can make much more with leverage, but of course the risk increases dramatically as well. So this shouldn't be done unless you're totally confident. Trading is far from an exact science.
Commies and cowards!
And if things go wrong, you need to get out fast. Arnie, are you still there? All right, we're trying this again. Keep calm, complete the trade, and be a hero.
I don't know if I can, kid. I'm out of my depth here.
Final level, arbitrage. This is a clever strategy that needs quick wits, fast fingers, and a fearless approach. Let's choose a character. All right, arbitrage. It's all about finding small differences in price for the same asset on different exchanges. You buy the asset on one exchange and then sell it somewhere else for more. This used to be a huge deal. You could make 20% gains, but it's still possible to make 1 to 3% on each trade. So the upside is great. The downside, I'm pretty sure that guy will kill you if you mess up the trade. Are you ready? Also, Max?
Yep, I'm also Max.
Okay, so choose an altcoin on CoinMarketCap. Medium-sized coins work well for this. You want volatility, but not instability. All right, you got a coin. Now go to the Markets tab to see what the price of the coin is on different exchanges. The goal is to find as big of a price difference as possible. Oh, looks like he got one. Okay, so now buy it on the cheap exchange. A key here is you need to make sure the price is currently in an uptrend. The arbitrage will not work if you purchase the token and it falls before you can offload it, or if the transaction fees are too high.
Here we go. Getting ready to sell. Sold. Boom. Yes.
I guess that's it. I guess I suppose I expected like a celebration or something when you win. Anyways, that's scalping. I'd like to thank you for playing. I'm the real Max Maher, and I hope you have a profitable day.